In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background image on Wix. If your page is feeling busy, text is hard to read, or you simply want a cleaner look, removing a background image can make a big difference. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can follow along with confidence and get a professional result without hunting through menus. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. This is the workspace where you design your site visually. Make sure you're in the desktop editor view so you see all the background options. Once your site loads, give the editor a moment to initialize all the panels so the background controls appear properly when you select your area. Next, click directly on the section, strip, or page that has the background image you want to remove. In Wix, a strip is a full-width horizontal band, and a section is a content block that can also span the width of the page. It's easy to accidentally select text or an image inside the section instead of the section itself. So if you click and see controls for a specific element, click again on the empty space of that area until the outer frame highlights. You'll know you have the right selection when you see options related to the background. When that area is selected, the background panel appears. Look for the option labeled Change Background and click it. This panel is where Wix collects all the visual options for that selected area. If you clicked the page background itself, you'll see page background options. If you click to strip, you'll see strip background controls. The wording is the same and the process works the same way across them. Now choose how you want to remove or replace the image. Select Remove Image to clear the current background picture immediately. If you prefer a solid look, choose color and pick a shade that supports your content and brand. If you want motion, choose video and select a subtle clip that doesn't distract from your text. Choosing none removes any media from that area so it inherits the site's default or shows the underlying page background. As you make a selection, watch the editor update in real time so you can check readability, spacing, and contrast. That's all there is to it. Open your site in the Wix editor, select the right area, click Change Background, and choose Remove Image or switch to color, video, or none, depending on the look you're going for. Keep your content legible, your design consistent, and your message front and center.